Good afternoon, my name is Jordan Lambert, Market Analyst at Gelatomo Management. As the deadline for a resolution to the US debt ceiling looms, the markets are becoming increasingly anxious, with US stock indices enduring their worst losing streak this year. But gold hasn't really been benefiting from this uncertainty thus far. The dollar has been holding steady against major counterparts and even gaining against some, despite the possibility of the US running out of cash come the 17th of October, according to Treasury Secretary Jack Lew. At this time, it's worth recalling when the dollar made gains last year, when the US government was on the brink of defaulting, and the gains made following a credit downgrade by credit rating agency S&P. We could possibly see some dollar appreciation this time around as well, as we get closer and closer to the 17th of October deadline, as investors weigh up the pros and cons of a US default and its impact on other currencies, because it wouldn't just obviously affect the US, it would have global ramifications of a very serious nature. So in this unthinkable scenario of the US actually defaulting, the US dollar might actually be the safest place to be investing anyway, because the euro, the pound, the yen would be negatively affected as well. So we could see that again, so just be aware of that. Right, let's just take a look at the charts. Right, so 1330, this resistance level that had proved tough to beat for the bulls so far this week, had finally been broken through last night. And yeah, so it's broke through. It didn't quite hit my target of 1340. The highest it went to was 1338. It came back down and tested it as support, and then went back up to 1336. It is holding as support as I speak, and it could be the basis for further gains today. I do believe if we see the market drop below 1330, it is quite bearish, but time will tell. Actually, we need to see a little bit more price appreciation to see if this 1330 is now acting as support, and it could propel this market higher. But generally speaking, the market is in limbo due to the uncertainty with the US debt ceiling battle and the US budget. So the market is likely to lack any asserted direction until we know the outcome there. But in the meantime, if we can identify short-term resistance and supports, we can still make some money. Thank you very much for listening to me. I will speak to you again on Friday.